call a referee.
But you know I'm wise enough just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new here, like you are watching me for the very first time, please go ahead to click the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is on how I wore this wig, this beautiful wig, very lightweight, most affordable wig under 10 minutes without a glue, guys. Yes, without a glue. So if you want to see the end results, please continue to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share to friends and family, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Here is the wig I'm using for this video, and this is how it came from Gracefantasywigs, and the wig is actually called Kinky Wig lace wig. It's a synthetic hair and it has this bouncing nature. It actually looks like human hair. It's a frontal lace wig. The lace in front of the wig is not that thick. It's very light for those of you that would like to melt down the lace using a glue. It came with 2 combs by the side, that's wig combs, and also 1 comb in front of it with a wig strap to help hold the wig frame. The wig is very affordable, and I'm going to leave all the details in the description box in case if you are interested, honey. Let's trying it on this mannequin just to style it first and see how it really looks. And can you guys really tell how natural this hair looks? It looks just like human hair. I'm just using scissors to trim off the downside of the hair, and I'm also using the scissors to trim off or to remove the rough part of the hair. To add some little shine to the hair, I'm just using this hairspray on the hair, and it's above product to spray it on the hair. And after spraying it, I'm just using my hands to go through it or to distribute the hairspray all over the hair. Just showing you guys how the back looks like, and the back is very full and the coils is to the tip. I really like the bouncy nature of the hair. For installation, I'm already wearing a stocking cap and my hair is actually relaxed. So I'm just trying the hair, that's the wig, on my head just to see how it fits. I actually wanted to use a glue to lay down the wig, but the wig looks very firm even without using a glue. So I just decided to cut off the excess lace in front of the wig off camera and then bring out my natural baby hairs in front using a tail comb. I'm just bringing out little of my baby hairs in front and then use this got2b gel and a brush to lay down my baby hairs. Clipping the wig hair from my face with hair clips so that the hair won't interfere. So yeah, that's the only cons I have about this hair. Since it's a synthetic hair, it would definitely get rough, but once it's rough, you can use the scissors to trim off all the rough parts, and yeah, after trimming it off, you can just style it to your taste and you're good to go. So I'm trying as much as possible to make the baby hairs look so natural, so that when I properly wear the wig on my head, they won't have any demarcation between the wig and my natural baby hairs. So I'm just dragging the wig forward very close to where I lay down my baby hairs and then secure it with the straps at the back. I'm just arranging the hair just to make it fit my face. So you can style this hair in any form you want to because of the lace front in front of the head or in front of the wig. So yeah, here's the final look, and thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like and leave a comment below. I'm going to leave all the details of this hair in the description box below. Stay blessed. Call a referee, 'cause I just need one more shot.